All right, welcome boys and girls. Here we are, day 13 of January Daily Math. Let's look at number 1. Write 3 numbers that are greater than 50 but less than 99. Okay, so like 51 is greater than 50. 98 is less than 99. And then we just need something else in between those two, right? So something between 50 and 90. How about 74? Number 2, draw a line to split this snowflake in half. So there's a lot of different ways to do this. I think an easy way, or maybe the easier way for you, might be to just draw that line right down the middle. Okay? You could go like this way. That would also flip it in half. Or any of those lines, or any of the in-between. It's kind of looking for like symmetry, if you remember that. But there's a lot of different ways. If you don't know and you want to get it checked off, just let me know and we'll look at it for you, okay? All right. Number 3, milk and cookies. There are 22 cookies in a package. Amaya ate 3 on Monday, 4 on Tuesday, and 6 on Wednesday. How many cookies are left in the package? All right, so first we got to know how many there are total. Well, there's 22, right? Okay, so we're going to start with 22. Now, she ate 3, 4, and 6. So we have to add that up total, right? So we got to figure out how many she ate altogether. 6 and 4 are 10, and 3 more is 13. So she ate 13. So if we have 22 that we started with, and she ate 13, whatever we have left is going to be how many left in the package, right? So let's come over here, and let's take 22 minus 13 that she ate. There's more on the floor, so we have to borrow from next door. 12 minus 3 is 9. 1 minus 1 is 0, so 9. How many cookies are left? 9 cookies. Okay? Number 4. Ooh, a mystery number. Start with 38 and then subtract 6. So 8 minus 6 is 2. 3 minus nothing is 3. So we have 32. Okay? Then we need to add 100. There it is. 100. 32. Notice when I added 100, all I did was put a 1 in the hundreds column. Because 3 plus 0 is 0 and 2 plus 0 is 0, right? So 132. Okay, penguins' 30-second race. This is how many meters they raced, and this is the name of each of the 4 penguins. Okay, penguins waddle when they walk. 4 penguins had a race at the zoo. How far did Pete go? So on this question, it's not asking us anything about Belle, Rocky, or Fiat. Okay? It's only asking us about Pete, and the only thing it's doing is asking us, how far did Pete go? Well, let's drag that line over for Pete. We're going to drag it over, and we see that Pete went 4 meters. All right, check that off there, boys and girls. Correct any mistakes. Write down how you did, and we will see you tomorrow for day 14 of January Daily Math.